I am super excited to be unboxing this GreenWorks 80-volt 21-inch mower that is self-propelled. It has an LED light in the front. We have some tips to put it together. It does have an extra blade and battery. This mower has 2 slots for the batteries. It comes with the charger. There's the 2 batteries, the blade, and the charger. We did have to be careful to not cut the wires in the bubble wrap. These handles easily click up with the press of a button on the back. We did realize that you have to take this black piece out in order to fit the wires in the handle. We were struggling with that at first, and then as soon as we took that black piece out, it fit easily inside the handle so we could attach the top part. Just screwing in the screws. This is the adjustable handle, and it can be folded completely down for easy storage. This is the bag for the lawn clippings. We realized we do need to take out the mulch plug in order to fit the bag securely in there. This is the slot for the 2 batteries to go into. And the batteries did not come charged, so we did have to charge them fully before starting to mow the lawn. This is what the blade looks like underneath, and the charger, and I'll let you know when it's fully charged.